Quick question, what's the one factor that determines failure or success online? The answer is, of course, traffic. It doesn't matter how amazing your website is, without traffic, it's not going to make you a penny. Traffic is the one thing that everyone needs to succeed, and today it's harder to get than ever before. The brand new software that I'm about to show you in this video is going to solve that problem once and for all. It's going to level the playing field and allow you to rank almost any term at the top of the search engines faster and easier than ever before. It's going to allow you to transform Google's Penguin, Panda, and future updates into powerful tools to propel your business forward while your competition gets left behind. This is brand new technology, unlike anything that you've ever seen. I had this software developed because there's a major problem in the SEO industry right now. The software currently on the market has been rendered obsolete by the latest search engine updates. And in order to stay competitive, I was forced to use multiple tools and services to accomplish what I needed to accomplish. Many of these tools are extremely complicated to set up and use, even for experienced marketers. And I was wasting a ton of time jumping from one program to the next, and I was spending a fortune for access to all of these different programs. So I decided to have my team develop a tool that can handle all of the critical SEO tasks you need to compete online today, and to make it push button simple to use. A tool that allows you to work smarter and not harder, and see results faster and easier than ever before. So let me show you how SeDemon allows you to do just that. Here's just a few of the powerful features that SeDemon has to offer. Okay, this is the diagrammer, and this is one of the most powerful parts of the software, and it makes things very, very fast and very easy for you to build link networks, layered link networks, buffer sites, link pyramids, things like that. So in this example, what I've done, you just have to drag and drop this stuff. So if I'm going to go ahead and link my WordPress site to my money site, and it's as easy as that. So you just drag and drop. So a lot of times you don't necessarily want your second tier links, like your forum profile links and article directory links, pointing directly to your money site. And that's why things like buffer sites and layered links are so powerful, because you can still get all of this link juice and all of that power pointing to your money site, but without having to compromise it or risk hurting its rankings. And in this example, I've got all of the second tier links ready to be pinged so that we can be sure they're going to get indexed. Google's going to pick up on them, and that link juice is going to flow through to the money site. And what's really cool about this is that I'm creating a template, and this money site can actually be any site that you want it to be, and you can use the same setup and same link structure. You can point it to any of your own sites. You can point it to any of your Web 2.0 sites. You can use it to build backlinks to your social networking profiles or to your press release on a press release site. So you can literally build a massive network connected by thousands of links, and then point that link juice toward any website or any websites that you want to, and it only takes just a minute to do so, and I'll show you how that works right now. So once I've created my diagram, I just click accept, and it actually saves it as a template file that I'll be able to use inside of the Turbo Wizard. Any of those templates that I create, I just go to the Turbo Wizard, I type in my money site details. So I just type in my URL or my URLs. You can put up to 10 URLs in there. My keywords, my tags, the campaign name. I picked the template. This is the one I just created. I'm just going to do one profile here, and I'm going to spread the submission out over 7 days. So it will randomly build these links over 7 days. It looks 100% natural to Google. They're dripped out. It's that quick. Click create campaign, and you're ready to go. So the diagrammer and the Turbo Wizard alone make things just so much faster and easier, but that's just a tiny part of everything that SeDemon is capable of doing. So real quick, I'm going to give you just a really quick overview and show you exactly what it's capable of. So the first thing I'm going to do is a new account creation project, and that's going to allow me to create accounts at over 4,000 and growing different kinds of sites. Everything from social networks to article directories to Web 2.0 sites, forum profiles, press releases, WordPress sites, PDF sites, wiki sites, and social bookmarking sites. So what you do is new account creation project. Click on that, and this brings up our screen here. So here's all the different kinds of sites that we have right now, and this is constantly growing. Right now we're right around 4,000, but we're going to keep adding more as time goes on. And one thing that's really cool about this is you can really target your links. So I can look here and just go to bookmarking scuttle sites, and I can see the page rank over here, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. We have sites going all the way up to page rank 6, 7, and 8. And so if I wanted to just create, say, accounts within just forums or just social networks, I could do that. Or if I just wanted to create sites that are PR4 or higher, I could do that. So you can really filter down the kinds of accounts you're creating. Let me just show you how fast this is. So first, I'm just going to check the settings and make sure that everything is configured the way I want it to. We've got quite a few options here. The timeout for the software, the auto retries, how many threads you want to use from your computer. We have caption support from Death by Caption, decapture.com, imagetypers.com, captionsniper.com, and a few more. We've got a built-in spinner, but we've also got APIs for the best spinner, Spinner Chief, SpinChimp, Word AI, and Spin Rewriter built in. We've got the indexer, where you can automatically have your links pinged if you want to, and you can use Ping Farm, which is free, or you can use Lindex, Linkalicious, or Indexification. Databases to back up all your different campaigns, different projects that you're working on. So that's all good to go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save these as a demo profile, and what I'm going to do is select all sites. As you can see, we've got over 4,700 right now, and that continues to grow every single day. And I'm going to use a new email for this project, and you can either use your own email or you can have one generated for you from Hotmail automatically. So just click that and click OK. And I've got a name and an email created just that fast, and I'm going to go ahead and generate my profile, and it's going to put in spun names, first names, last names, usernames, passwords for all my different accounts. So I'll have different names and passwords across all of those different accounts. And I'm going to have it verify emails automatically, and I'm going to go for 5 minutes after your account creation. And all I'm going to do is hit run, and it'll get started. And I'll let it run for just a second. I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch me go through 4,000 links, but that's how fast it goes. And then the emails will get verified, and within about 10 to 15 minutes I'll have around 4,000 accounts created that quickly. So I'll come right back to you. Okay, and when it's done, it gives you a complete list of all the accounts that you have, and I ended up generating just over 3,000 there. And you get a complete list with the URLs, your usernames, your passwords if you actually want to go and look at the sites where you've created these accounts on. And then you can import or export these to CSV files, so it's really easy to keep track of all of the different accounts you have, even when you're building thousands and thousands and thousands of them at a time. So the next logical step is to start building some links with these accounts, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to new, and I'm going to schedule I'm not going to sit here and show you all these in this video because there's a lot of different things it does. So to give you an idea, I'm going to do a new wiki project. Wikis are a great place to get links, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to do account profile 1, and then I'm going to choose a custom output URL list. So what that allows me to do is create a list, a named list of all the different links that I build, and that really helps out when you're trying to do interlinking or know exactly where your links are going. So I'm just gonna select all the sites I have an account with under this account profile, and I've got a little over 2,000. And for the sake of this, you can actually use spin tags in these, so that all of your titles for every article you submit are completely unique. You optionally can put an output URL that you're going to use for your anchor text and within all of the articles that you submit to the wiki sites. And the setup on each of the different modules is a little bit different. It's going to be different on an article directory, or if you're doing PDF submissions, or if you're doing WordPress submissions, but this gives you a general idea of how it works for all the different modules. So as far as the actual content goes, if you have content that you've created or had created, or PLR content, you can load that from a directory, or you can create an automatically spun article, which is what I'm going to do for this demo. So I just put a seed keyword in there, I click generate, and it pops out an article just like that, and I can go ahead and actually spin the text. So now it's all going to be unique. And I'll show you one more thing before I start here. You can use spin tags where you actually spin your content in almost every module that we have. And anytime I want to put a link inside an article, I can either just use my optional URL as the anchor text, or I can structure it like this, mylink.com, and then /anchor keyword, and you can actually spin the URLs as well, so you can get a whole lot of unique URLs and a whole lot of unique anchor text every time that you do this if you want to. So it's all ready to go. I've got my site selected, and all I have to do now, I can either schedule it out for later, or I can just run it, and that's what I'm going to do. And we just let it go and let the software go to work. And I'll just let you watch it here for a minute to see, so you can see how quickly it moves. It takes a little bit of time because a lot of these sites you're going to have email verification, which we handle, and some of them have a delay on acceptance. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and we'll take a look as soon as it's. And keep in mind, all this stuff is stuff really you just have to sit down for about half an hour and set up one time, and you can schedule these campaigns to go over and over again. So usually, when I'm using the software, I'm not sitting here and watching it and waiting for it to finish. It's going on while I'm doing other work or other things. It's building links and bringing in traffic for me. Okay, and it's done. So as you can see, we selected 1,786 sites with accounts and completed 1,412 submissions, which isn't bad considering this is a spun text, and a lot of the wiki sites are user reviewed before you get accepted and things like that. So every time that you finish a campaign like that, you can go and pull up a report that's going to show you exactly where your links are, what URL to click to go and check and see if they're actually there. And remember, every list of links that you build can be completely unique. So if I want to do another link building campaign where I'm backlinking my wiki sites, I can take this list and use that as the sites that I want to link to. And that allows you to really stack things up and build backlinks across your whole network of sites, and it just builds on itself and allows you to just build a massive empire of all these different links interlinking with each other and linking up towards your money sites. And it's just incredibly powerful and so much faster and so much easier than anything else on the market. And you can also go ahead and check the links on the spot in the reports and see if they're validated. A lot of these wiki sites are manually reviewed, and they take a little while for the links to show up. And we're using spun content behind proxies, so I wouldn't be surprised if the actual links that get through is pretty low. But we'll see what happens here. So you click the check links, and you can see we've got some broken links. That does happen, and we've actually got quite a few still pending, which means they're probably under manual review, but we have a lot of live links, 1,412 as of right now. Okay, here's where this gets really powerful though. So I just built a list of wiki URLs, and again, you can categorize your link list by anything that you want to, from the type of site that they are to their page rank. You can have as many lists as you want to, but I want to take my wikis and I want to send some backlinks to them. So what I'm going to do is close this out and then go and create a forum profile project. And I'll go here and click on it. And again, you'll see the interface for all the modules is very similar. So there's zero learning curve. But what I'm going to do is use URLs from a URL list. And right there is the list of links that I just built. So all of these forum profiles will point links back to those wiki links that I just built. So this is where things start to get really powerful and just really, really effective. You can start building backlinks and start interlinking, thousands of backlinks together, building massive link networks that just shoot your rankings to the top. So the really great thing about SeDemon is that it's whatever you want it to be. It's as easy as you want it to be. If you're just trying to rank a few affiliate sites or a few blogs or doing minor SEO work, you can literally use the diagrammer and the turbo wizard and spend 30 seconds every week for your SEO campaigns. But if you do hardcore SEO work, or you work for a bunch of clients, or you want to resell links or build your own link network and things like that, you have the power to do so. And it's also very quick, very easy, and just much more faster and effective than anything else on the market. And just to show how detailed you can go, if you want to, you could say, I don't want to use URLs I've created within the last 3 hours. Or you could say, I want to add 20 random links or all of the links. So no matter what you're trying to accomplish with SEO, you can do it with SeDemon. And you can do it just faster and much more effective than ever before. But the reality is, I don't have time to show you every single thing that SeDemon is capable of in this video. So instead of going on and on about how powerful it is and what it can do for you, we've decided the best way to prove to you exactly how powerful it is to let you try it out for yourself, absolutely free. So you can go ahead and download it today, put it to use for 7 days, and see just how powerful it is firsthand. And if you don't agree that it's hands down the fastest and most effective way to build links and drive traffic to any website, or it's not right for your business for any reason at all, that's fine. But we know for most people, it's going to be one of those tools that you simply cannot afford to be without in business. So for a limited time, we're offering the risk-free trial. So go ahead and take advantage of it before spots fill up. You'll get instant access to the software. You'll get step-by-step, take you by the hand training to show you the most powerful and effective ways to put this software to use for your business. And you'll be able to put this to use within minutes from right now. So go ahead and download it, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.